those videos you see on YouTube, on TikTok, on every social media platform. It ain't easy. Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is esohenomigie, and today's video, guys, I'm going to be talking about the basics of video production, how to start creating content, which is basically the 4 P's. I call it the 4 P's of creating content. If you want to start creating content, you must know that there are 4 bases of video production. Let's get started. The production stage. This is the creative planning of any content in general. Yeah, you already have an idea and you want to put it into action. So what do? You make your research, and trust me, if you're watching this video already, it means you're already doing your research because you want to know the basis of video production. Research. You have your idea, remember, right? So you want to know your audience, you want to know your niche, you want to know what platform you want to use to pass out your message. So right now you're already making your research. Your research could be your platform you want to use to pass your message, could be YouTube, could be TikTok, could be Facebook, could be any social media platform in general. So you start making your research on how these things work. Now you made your research, what next? You organize your idea. Trust me, organizing your idea is very important because it helps with the key point on what you are going to say. And yes, you can put your scripted note close by so you can look at it once in a while to know if you're on the right track. Now you've organized your idea, what next? You prepare your filming equipment. You make sure your phones are well charged, your camera, your tripod, your light, everything is working properly well. Your microphone, you test it because you do not want to start filming and start making sure everything is alright at that time. It doesn't make sense. Now you've prepared and arranged your equipment, what next? You plan out your location. If you are a cooking vlogger or anything, you know your location is in the kitchen. If you are a YouTuber, you can use your room like what I'm doing right now. If you are a fashion creator, you can do outdoors, you can do indoors, you can just make sure everywhere is beautiful. You can add some aesthetics to make everything look cute and beautiful. And if you are starting out in any of these platforms, I want to say use what you have. Use your room. If you have your room, you can just package it and everything. Remember, most of these big content creators, if you check their history, they started in their bedroom. Next is planning out your outfit. Remember, you want to look the part. Imagine you're a cooking vlogger and you come on camera and you're wearing an engineering clothes or a nursing clothes on camera to cook. Like, you are confusing your audience. Rather, you know you're supposed to be on an apron and whatever they use for their cooking channel. You have to look presentable. Your hair, if you are going on makeup, everything, your clothing, you have to look presentable for your audience. All the steps I just mentioned are basically the pre-production stage, which is planning out everything behind the scenes before you come on camera to film. Because trust me, content creating can be really overwhelming. If you see a content creator today, dash them money because the video is going to look all sweet and beautifully aesthetically made, but you don't know the work that is behind the scenes. So for you to make your content creating more easier, you have to plan ahead, which is basically the pre-production stage. Is the production stage. Here's the actual filming stage, what I'm actually doing right now, you being on camera. That is basically the production stage. The production stage, you take your thumbnail pictures, your cover photo, whatever social media platform you're using, and when you're on camera during this production stage, it's not as perfect as it looks. So as you are seeing the first talking, having fun and all of that, you know the mistakes you are going to make. In fact, let me even show you guys. Watch the people seen it, but right now when you're watching it, it looks so perfect. Trust me, you might even forget your name, but have fun while shooting and do not give up. Acknowledge your mistakes. Okay, you you went off key, come back, your editing stage is going to like do everything perfectly well for you. But make sure you do not give up. Sure, you're going to make a lot of mistakes and but you have to keep trying till you get it. The third stage is the post-production stage. Here you finish being on camera, you finish shooting and everything. This is where the actual work begins. Editing can be really nerve-wracking if you are doing it yourself. Trust me. That is why I always recommend and tell people snack while editing, because it can be time consuming. I want to assume that most of you watching this video I want to start creating content, so you are going to do your editing yourself, except you are financially stable where you can hire a team to do it for you. But if you're doing it yourself, it's going to be nerve-wracking, and I'm telling you guys the actual truth. And this editing stage, you can see things you don't like. You might even have to reshoot. This stage, you have to plan out your music, everything, your copyright, free music. If you're using YouTube, even any other social media platforms, you just have to be careful out there, because creating content is strenuous, and you don't do anything that will implicate your hard work. Now we are done with editing. What do? We watch it, and we must make sure we enjoy our content, because if you don't enjoy your content yourself, I doubt if anybody else is going to enjoy it. You have to enjoy what you're putting out there. Remember, you are your biggest fan. And you know what? When you upload a content on any social media platform, you start feeling some kind of way, you start feeling some doubt, you start even seeing some imperfections. But trust me, you've posted it. Just remove your mind off it and work towards making another better content. That's how this content creating thing works. Nobody is perfect doing it. We are all just trying to get better on a daily basis. Now we are done with the post-production stage. What next? My fourth stage is promoting your content. You have to promote your content yourself. You have to put it on your Instagram page, on your WhatsApp story, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, whatever other social media platform you are using, because you have to drive traffic from your other social media platform to that particular platform you are posting that content. If that makes sense, I want to know if it makes sense in the comment section. You guys get what I'm trying to say. You have to be your biggest supporter. Nobody's going to promote your content for you like yourself. And do not be mad if your friends don't help you promote your content, because I figured out that everybody's busy with their lives and all of that, but there are still some friends who cheer you up despite their busy schedule. If you have such friends, hold them tight. They're easy to find. They're not easy and for market. You have to promote your content. Basically, you can pay for ads, whatever. You just have to promote your content, because promoting your content makes it do better. Even movie production, they promote it on social media, they promote it on billboards, whatever. This promoting your content stage is the last P of my 4 P's of video production. Let me recap on my P's again, which is the pre-production stage, which is the planning stage, the production stage, the actual filming stage, the post-production stage, the editing phase and all of that. The promoting stage is where you promote your content. Thank you guys for seeing this video. I want to hope you've learned a lot and you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Feel free to ask. I'm always going to reply you. Until next time, do not forget to like this video, leave a cute comment, and make sure you hit that subscribe button below. If you want this video to this end and you are not subscribed, I'm going to cry. I'm just kidding, by the way, but make sure you are subscribed. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, I love you and stay blessed.